Yes, good afternoon everyone. Can you hear properly? Recording pause. Recording pause. Yes, I know you cannot hear. Three important definition was there: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Now there are some basic difference in between these three definitions or these three words. What is rapid combustion? In the rapid combustion, the material is gas. Yes. Now Surojit also same suggestion to you, just left once and then join again. Those having the video or audio problem, left once and then join again. May your problem be solved. So first of all, definition of rapid combustion. A gas burns to give heat and light. Example, that is LPG. Gas burns to produce heat and light is called rapid combustion. Next one, spontaneous combustion. Here the materials burnt without any contact to fire. Material burnt without any contact to fire and produce heat, light, etc. Example of this is the white phosphorus and forest fire. White phosphorus and forest fire. Yes, it is also an example of rapid combustion. Yes, Trijit, you are correct that burning of kerosene oil in kerosene stove is an example of rapid combustion. Next word, that is explosion. Here also in a very certain time, bursts to produce heat, light and sound. Materials burst suddenly to produce heat, light and sound. An example of explosion is that the firecrackers. So along with the definition you have to, along with the definition, by applying heat or pressure. It is for the explosion. Now along with the definition you have to remember one example of this. Which one? Explosion. Write it down. Materials burst suddenly to produce heat, light and sound. Okay, rapid combustion. Okay, heat, light and sound by applying heat or pressure. Rapid combustion, gases burnt quickly. Rapid combustion, gases burnt quickly producing heat, light. Rapid combustion, gases burnt easily producing heat and light. Example, the LPG. Now, why the burning of kerosene in kerosene stove is an example of rapid combustion? Why? Because the rapid combustion, I have mentioned here that the gas, now when the heat is applied, that is when the kerosene in kerosene stove, when the burner become heated, then the kerosene ultimately forms a volatile form, that is in gaseous form, and it is coming out through the very thin nozzle, okay, and it is in the gaseous form. Okay, so as it is in the gaseous form, it is also called as rapid combustion. Yes, the spontaneous combustion, there is no contact to fire is there, but in the rapid combustion and explosion you have to contact with the fire. It is automatically done, that is by the nature and also by the scorching heat of sun, and also some frictional forces is there, because frictional force produces the heat energy. Okay, sometimes it is the frictional force, sometimes it is the scorching heat of sun in summer days, and also due to we are also responsible, because when we are going to for a picnic and there we are using the fire, but we are not extinguishing the fire in proper way, and it is sometimes it may cause a heavy fire. Okay, so we should have to be careful about that. So this, okay, so from this part you may have question, 3 questions may be there. One is the difference between the rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion, and at that time you have to write the definition and with an example, and if you not write the definition, just mention the characteristics, here the materials burn, here in the gaseous form burns, and also mention the example. Okay, so 3 differences are there. One is the difference between number 1, that is rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion. Number 2, spontaneous combustion and explosion, and another one, that is rapid combustion and explosion. Water is not suitable for involving oil and petrol. Why? Yes, because the water, the oil or petroleum is lighter than water. The petroleum or the oil is lighter than water, okay, and at the same time it produces a very large amount of heat. So in the 2 cases, because as it cannot cover, the water cannot cover the outer surface of the liquid petroleum, and also the heat energy is produced, and in heat the H2O ultimately breaks down to produce oxygen. So ultimately it helps in burning. Okay, so the water is not used, and in that place the carbon dioxide is used to make this. Difference between rapid and spontaneous combustion. So in rapid combustion, here the gases burns, and in the spontaneous combustion, here the materials burn. In the rapid combustion, here the contact to fire is essential, but in spontaneous combustion it is done naturally. And then the example in the rapid combustion, just take the example first, the rapid combustion, here the gaseous form, that is LPG is there, and in the spontaneous combustion it is the frictional force or etc. is there. Okay. Next one, coming, any problem? Okay. So, next one, okay. So, next one, sir, burning of candle is which type of combustion? Yes. So, burning here, the rapid combustion, it is not the rapid combustion, the spontaneous combustion, it is not also the spontaneous combustion, not also the explosion. It is partially rapid combustion, because why I am calling it rapid combustion, because when the heating is, that means when we burnt the wheat, then it is the vapor of the hydrocarbon, coming out through this, and it burns. Okay. So, it is only the lightening of candle, it is only the burning process is there. Burning of matchsticks, here burning of matchsticks, it is called not rapid combustion, spontaneous, it is only the combustion. Rapid combustion, because here no gases are not burned, here materials burn, because they are solid substances. Spontaneous burning, yes, you can say it spontaneous burning, because there are frictional forces there. Yes, it is spontaneous burning. The at room temperature white phosphorus burn, it is spontaneous burning. Spontaneous combustion. Water, I have told you that because water is heavier than the petroleum or kerosene. So, the one objective is to cover the outer surface of the flammable substance, but water is deposited and light oil will coming out from the water and it will continue to burn. It is a spontaneous combustion, the burning of white phosphorus in air. Okay, now the burning of candle, because you can call it rapid combustion, because through the wick the vapors are coming out when we get contact to the fire to the wick. Okay. So, the gases are burned, and for this reason we get flame, and when the flame is coming out, it is due to some volatile substances produced during burning, and flame is the form of the burning of that volatile substances. Next part is the flame. I have just mentioned that flame is the burning of the volatile substances. Burning of the volatile substances. What is flame? It is the burning of volatile substances in contact to fire. Burning of volatile substances in contact to fire. Now, which one is inflammable? Some oils are inflammable. So, when the wood burn, it produces flame. What is the reason behind this? There are some organic materials which is when contact to heat, it will make a vapor and that produces the flame. Okay. So, when there is a flame, just take that here some volatile substances is produced, because when the fire, that is the heat is generated by the coke, there no flame is there. Okay. So, there as it is no smoke is no flame is there, here no volatile substances is produced, but the volatile substances is produced by the burning of some organic material. Sometimes it may be the wax, it may be the wood, or sometimes the coal also produces some volatile gases. For this reason, coal in the initially it forms the flame. What is the meaning of volatile substances? Yes, so volatile substance is that which can be formed in the gaseous form. Generally, air is gaseous in nature. Okay. Now, the you know the density, yes, your class 8, so you know the density. So, when the organic substances, that is the hydrocarbon, what is hydrocarbon? That is, or generally the petrochemicals, because just take the example of petrol. So, you can smell petrol when you passing by the petrol in the petrol pump. Okay. So, the why petrol are coming out from the petrolic, that is the transferring from the chamber to the car, because they are volatile, because there is very lighter and it is as it is in gaseous form. Okay. So, it is may pass from the one place to another through the air. Clear, Rosni? Volatile substances. Which substance has lowest ignition temperature? Lowest ignition temperature, I think the white phosphorus may be of lowest ignition temperature. Maybe it is white phosphorus. Because the white phosphorus having, it can burns in room temperature, but petrol and diesel it does not burn in wet temperature. Okay. Next, so I have told you about the flame. Next, come to the table. You told me that candle, when candle burns, it produces flame or not? When candle burns, it produces flame or not? Yes. When magnesium burns, when magnesium burns, it produces flame or not? Yes. Next one, camphor. Camphor, when, yes, light is the form of the flame, that is when a compound is formed, that is magnesium, which one is no? Rosni, that is camphor. You can see that when there is a worship to the god, then the camphor is burned and it produces the flame. Camphor in Bengali it is called the korpur. So, camphor also produces flame. Kerosene stove. You have given the answer. Sorry, you have given the exam, Trijit. Okay. How many of you have completed the exam? Everyone. So, Sikand, you cannot give the exam. Ayan has given the exam. Sneha cannot give it. Adri also. Okay. Okay, it will be, the works are going on. No tension about the exam, who cannot give the exam, it will be there will be the steps taken for in the next time. Okay. So, coming to the next that is, okay, the today's time is up already. Now, I am telling about the flame, the different temperature region of a flame. Just take a look of that. So, this is the example of a candle flame. Now, this is the outer zone or high temperature, and this is the inner zone or low temperature. Now, there are two terms are there. One is luminous flame and another one is non-luminous flame. I do not know about it. You have come to know this from where, Trijit? Which color is the outer zone? Yes, blue. Okay. So, the luminous flame and non-luminous flame. So, luminous flame, the example of luminous flame is that of the candle, and example of non-luminous flame is that of LPG, Bunsen burner, etc. These are non-luminous flame, because luminous flame it produces light also, but non-luminous flame it does not produce light, it does not glow. So, the luminous flame, the color you can see that it is of that orange color, or you may it is that of orange color, sometimes it orange or mixture of orange and deep orange color. Okay. And non-luminous flame it is blue in color, it is orange. Okay. Or what is the color of this flame, you can see. What color of the flame you can told, the color of the flame of the candle, what is the flame color of candle? Yellow. Okay. So, orange or yellow. So, yellow flame is also called luminous flame, and the blue flame is called the non-luminous flame. Okay. Now, luminescence is the word which is coming from the light. Okay. Luminescence is the word which is coming from the light. So, as it is light producing, it is called luminous flame, and non-luminous because it is not producing the light. Okay. So, just take one example, already time is over. Take one example, when LPG is burning in the kitchen, it does not produces light, okay, but the region of the flame is bigger than that of the candle, but the candle flame can produce a light in a small candle, a very thin candle can produce the light which can lighten in the whole room. Okay. So, from this is the example of luminous and non-luminous. Okay. Now, the luminous flame is due to the incomplete combustion. Luminous flame is due to the incomplete combustion, and non-luminous flame is due to the complete combustion. Okay. So, the non-luminous flame producing high heat energy, but luminous flame in that place it produces heat energy which is much more little. Okay. So, this is the difference. So, next day I will start from that. Remember me, from the candle flame I will start on the next day. Okay. From the candle flame I will start on the next day. Okay. Bye everyone.